Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError object of type NoneType has no len. This error occurs when you try to get the length of an object which is none, meaning it has no value assigned to it. Here's an example of how this error can occur. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this kind of error. In the above code, my_variable is assigned a value of none, which means it has no value. When len function is called on my_variable, it raises a type error because NoneType has no length. To avoid this error, you should make sure that the object you are trying to get the length of is not none. You can use an if statement to check if the object is none before calling len function. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In the above code, the if statement checks if my_variable is not none. If it is not none, the length of the object is printed. If it is none, a message is printed indicating that the object is none.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.